Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we look at various art books and magazines. And today we've got Larry the Lion with his little tail. He's one of the new guys, and this is his first time on the videos, I think. And he's going to be helping us with these, which is the 2015 ImagineFX Magazines. So it's 13 issues. So over the next 14 weeks, little Larry the Lion will be with us, going through each of these, and it's issues 117 to 129 for the 2015. And this one here is the last one. This will be the Christmas one. So this will be coming up in like 13 weeks time. And look at that, it's a Star Wars special. So if all the other covers are as nice as this one, I think we're going to be in for a cool year. So what I do is, I haven't looked at the covers yet. I might have seen them when I first bought the magazine, but that was like ages ago. So this is the first time. So this one here, we're going to start with this one, 2015, January 2015, issue 117. Let's just get the thing in a bit. What do you reckon this one's going to be? Be nice if it's a little creature. Oh yeah, look at this. We're going to start off with comic art, and it's a sexy little female. I've seen this lady before. I think she was on one of the ImagineFX books I did a little click look of. What's my first feeling about this? I like the way her cape is flowing with her hair, and I like the effect here. Look, it looks cool, doesn't it? It's like she's sort of using the wind. She's got the power of the wind with her. Cool outfit though, that is. Really cool little character. Sort of anime-ish, but I would say that's like a Western anime. Oh yeah, Claire's going to be in here. So little Larry's going to let us in. Straight into this one, we've got our friend Claire, who's actually, she's left now. In last year, 2021, she decided to leave, but I miss her. So what's this one going to be all about then? Comic arts. So we've got Iron Man, Captain America, Terry Dodson. We've got some dinosaurs. That looks cool. Superman. And then we got the little lady there as well. So these are the videos from the Not DVD. I don't actually do the DVDs anymore. But what I was thinking at the end of the year, I might start going through the videos for each year. The thing is though, the way they've done the downloading of videos, it takes quite a long time, because you have to download each one individually. It'd be nice if you could go on there and download them all at once. That would be, I think that'd be quite cool. This is the FX Pose 8-bit. What I will say is, now in the year 2022, the ImagineFX FX Pose 8-bit section is a lot more sexier. Oh, look at this one there. How cool is she, look? When I say sexy, I mean like the layout. I don't know what it is. It's a subtle change that they've done, but it makes it. I like this one. See, I'd look into this artist. I like that as well. Cool. Got robots as well. Like I say, this is one of the things I love about ImagineFX. We get all different types of things. 1 minute you've got, that's like something out of Silent Hill. Look, sexy but creepy at the same time. And then we've got robots. It's cool. Juan Pablo, that one is. Like Juan Pablo Montoya. That's a nice one as well, look. Oh, that's cool. Can you see that there? It's like a little, I love that. I like that. I like the way she's on her own. Because it makes it feel, look at the sun on that bit. Convention fatigue. Got little dragons there. I've seen him before. Hey, that's a thingy majig, isn't it? I've seen that before as well. Yay! That's the girl off Overwatch. I've never played Overwatch, but I always thought how cool of a character she is. Because my nephew, he played Overwatch, and he had a thing of that, like a little statue. I think she's such a cool character. The Shiflett brothers. This is their art studio. One of my favourite sections of the... Look at all those pencil... what do you call them? Paintbrushes, look. Cool. I think that's a bit... Who is he? Where's he from? That poster. Is it Blade Runner or something? I feel like that room's a bit too hectic for me. But it does look cool. The Shiflett brothers, I wonder what they've... I feel like they must be sort of well known or something. Art Without Limits. I love those. The sketchbooks. Art Without Limits. Is that all about Procreate or something? Letters. Yeah, look, try out a digital edition for free. That's quite cool. I guess what I did yesterday, I managed to find issue number 1 of the ImagineFX magazine. So what I'm going to do is, after these 2015 ones, I'm going to go right back to the beginning and go through like the first year of ImagineFX. It's going to be cool. But I've actually got the digital version of it as well, so I could compare them side by side. There's something else as well. I've noticed in the latest issues, I don't think they've been doing these Q&A sections anymore. I don't remember seeing them in the last few issues. So I don't know if they've stopped doing it, or if they're just having a break or something. That binder. You would have thought they would have had more covers, because you don't really want to have all your magazines in the same cover of a binder. So that's Alex Ross. He's an ImagineFX legend. That's nice, isn't it? The sort of lighting, I think it is. Spider-Man. Oh, that's a cool one. He's very good at perspective. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, look at these, look. Look at that. Cool. See, I'd like to see this guy do what his own work looks like. I wonder if he ever created his own characters. Star Wars, look. That's cool. I do like the Spider-Man. I like the way he does... Yay! Claire Wendling. Oh, we've got little fairies and fishies. Hey, little Larry's friend. Little Larry's friend, the lion. I like it when they colour in... I like it when sketches are done in coloured pencils. Look at those little feet, look. Sexy, aren't they? High heels and feet. Cool, I like that one. Oh, look at the cat, look. That's nice, that is. These are weird characters here, aren't they? Sort of like goblins and things. The Art of Terry Dodson. I like the way they've done this article. It looks a bit like when they're creating a comic. It's cool, it is. Little things like that, I love that. I like the style he's got there. Yeah, I love that. I like this artist. Anatomy. Here we're going into our little workshops there. Yay! Got the sketches. I like it when you get the sketches. Look That's going right through the process. Streamline your sketch. Beautiful, that. I like that. Make a horror comic page. That's nice, isn't it? Like, even though it's scary, it's like beautiful. Interesting. I wonder why they went with a pink background. Joker. Very evil looking, isn't he? I was watching a video the other day talking about the Nephilim, and they said that the Nephilim look like, well, like clowns. And then clowns look a bit like, the Joker looks a bit like a clown. That's nice. Oh, I love that. Again, it makes me want to see more of their work in that style. Beautiful. Yeah, this will be next week's look. Next week's we'll be looking at new concepts. I hope that's on the cover. That'd be nice. She's nice. Use pencils in your comic art. Is that Kate Winslet? Looks a bit like her. I like that. Flipping it, look. Hey, little reviews. What have we got here? These reviews are about 7 or 8 years old now, aren't they? Krita. I've heard people talk about that. Painter Essential 5. Look at that monitor, look. £600 it was. I wonder how much it is now. Look how, it's a weird shape. Ultra wide monitor. I wonder if that's a waste of time. I don't feel like anything's really going to be made for that size, is it? This is DVD, look. Visual development for feature animation. The Art of Blue Sky Studios. I think Jake Parker worked for them. I'm pretty sure Jake Parker said he worked for the 3D Total Publishing. I'd love to draw. Surely that should say I love to draw. Yay, see what they did in the old days. When it goes into the fantasy bit, we get like the paper is a sketchbook paper. It feels really cool. These are amazing. Martin Whitforth. I like the darkness of it. Oh, I love those. See this again, this is like something makes me want to see more of their artwork. How beautiful is that, look? There's a thingy, a little website and stuff. We've got elephants as well. Oh, cool. Greg Simpkins. Look at these cool characters here, look. Oh, yeah. London drawing, look. Oh, cool, look at this, look. Look at that, a life drawing. She got a massive dress on. Look, they're doing, how weird is that? They're doing sketching on the escalators. Life drawing class in the escalators. It's quite weird. Is this, James Gurney? Yeah, look. A James Gurney. These little dinosaurs show a warrior queen in action. Crazy, isn't it? I don't feel like she pops enough though. I think she needed a bit more colour or something, because they all sort of blend into each other. That's what I'm thinking. She looks cool. She looks hard though. like that. That's cool, isn't it? Look. Getting into it he is with he's got his own swords. Imagine somebody looked through his window and saw him going around his room with a sword. They think, what the? Probably call the police on him. Hey, we ended with one of the best ones, look. What's he called? Bill. Let's call him Bill. Look at Superman's foot is blending in with the background. Strange. Oh yeah, look at this one here. Oh, look at the reflection. Sexy. I like the way her fingers are sort of almost like a pair of high heels. Yeah, her arm and her hands are sort of mimicking the high heel shape. Almost as if she's like a spider or something. And that was that. That was issue number 117 of the ImagineFX magazine for July 2015. I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it was cool. A very nice way to start the year. My main takeaway from it is it's quite amazing how you can have the same character be completely different, because Spider-Man was in there by basically there was about 5 different artists drawing superheroes, and they all looked completely different. So it's the same character, but they look different, which I thought that's cool. Next week we're going to be looking at this one. Shall we see what? I'll save that for next week, I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you later for another one.